This video will go over how to search and register for events in Handshake. Career Services posts all of our career fairs and workshops in Handshake, and employers also post in-person and virtual events that you can sign up for as well. After logging into Handshake, click Events from the left-hand menu. Similar to the Jobs page, you will see a variety of filters across the top of the page to help you narrow down events to attend. You can filter by category, whether they are in-person or virtual, by date, and by employer. If you'd like to see events posted by the University of Alaska, you can click under More Filters and select Posted by My School or by Career Center. Click on the name of an event to learn more. You will see when and where it's occurring, a description of the event, and a contact that you can connect with for more information. To register, click the Register button. You will get a confirmation email with the date and time so you can add it to your calendar. If you are unable to attend an event you've signed up for, you can click Unregister. Make sure to browse through the events that Career Services posts in Handshake. We host many different workshops, lunch and learns, information sessions, and career fairs. This is also a great way to connect with employers and learn more about their workplaces. You're ready to start making the most of the events page in Handshake. Watch our other videos in this playlist to learn more about searching for jobs, making appointments with Career Services, and updating your Handshake profile.